Lucky for me, that was not my track bar coming off the frame. But earlier JLs did have some issues with track bar welds and them ripping off the frame. Many people had bad days. But if you do wheel your Jeep often, then having a track bar brace is definitely some reassurance that you're not going to have a bad day out on the trail. This track bar brace is made by WFO in California. High quality. Per the instructions, they want you to remove the lower sway bar bolt, move the sway bar out of the way to get better access. I decided to forego that and just jack the frame up if I had any issues getting to those bolts. Here I am just removing the front track bar bolt with 21 millimeter. Now it's time to get after those 4 18 millimeter bolts holding the power steering pump. Here the upper right hand bolt is tight to get to because of the coil. I definitely recommend using a 1/2 inch impact gun on all these bolts because they are tight. When removing the last bolt, I thought maybe the power steering pump would drop down a little bit, but it really didn't. I could actually manipulate it really easily by just lifting up and pulling the last bolt out. Getting that upper right hand bolt a little tight, I had to pry the coil over just a little bit so I could get the bolt in and started. Getting the track bar bolt torqued to 125 is tough when you're laying on the ground. And that's it for this video. I hope it was informative. Take care, and I'll see you out on the trail.